Hey YouTubers, today I'm gonna microwave this 2000 rupee note from India. Yep. I microwaved that 1000 Sri Lankan rupee. It didn't go so well, but I hope this 2016 series of this banknote will survive. We'll microwave, see what happens. We'll put it. I'm gonna make it up to 30. Nah. Well, that's too quick. We need to make it 30 seconds. Hope it doesn't spark. Huh, doesn't spark. Like the other one. I don't know how well you can see it because there's dots on the microwave because it just microwave came like that. Okay. And it's done. Okay, since it's microwave safe, India Ruby really did design made to last. Still a little bit of wet, hasn't dried yet. I'm gonna try again. Try out for 1 minute. Hope it doesn't spark. Look at that. See, look, this banknote is made to last forever. Yeah. It also microwave safe. Microwave safe. You can microwave food. Could you microwave India rupees? Yes, you can, but not too long. It might trigger a fire. And it's done. Ah. And it's dry. And it's dry. There you go. So there you go. This note survived. And this security strip still survived as well. Okay, when you microwave 2000 India rupees, it's survived. Okay, thanks for watching. As always, good night.